Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly remove watermark from your video for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. For today's video, we're going to use online video cutter. So first of all, you can go to this website, onlinevideocutter.com, and then you can upload your video right here. Just click on choose file. And for example, I'm going to remove watermark from this video. Tap on open, and this is the watermark. We just need to select the watermark like this and click on apply. Then the watermark will be removed instantly. And this is the result. Okay, the watermark has been removed. But I know guys that this trick or this feature can't be applied to all types of video, especially when the video has complicated objects in it. So you can only apply this trick to a watermark with a clear background. And if you want to export it, just click on export and choose the resolution. You can also select the format and click on export. Okay guys, and that's how you can quickly remove watermark from your video for free. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.